Welcome, I am your host, Luca, and today I got something beautiful and fantastic for you. I got something for the big game, the Super Bowl. That's right, I got a Super Bowl recipe for you. So if you want to know what it is, and you want to find out, keep on watching. This is Cooking at Home with Luca. Alright, so the first thing we're going to get going is we are going to throw our sausages into the oven. I've got here 4 mild Italian, 4 hot Italian sausages. All right, so while those are in the oven, our next step is to start prepping our veggies and cheese that we're going to be using for the nachos. This is a perfect time to be doing this because you got about 45 minutes to 50 minutes till those cook at about 400 degrees. So let's get rolling, let's get rocking. We're going to prep a red bell pepper, 2 jalapenos. We are going to use for some marble cheddar cheese. This is going to be, we're going to shave this down, which is going to be sprinkled on the nachos before it goes back in the oven for a nice little meltdown. So that's for that. Then I got 3 cheeses here. Extra old cheddar. I got truffle cheddar, and I got some medium cheddar. Now all these 3 cheddars we're going to use for our sauce that we're going to drizzle on top of our nachos once they come out of the oven. Sounds delicious and fantastic. So if you're excited and you're ready, keep on watching. Let's get prepping. All right, our sausages are still in the oven. They're almost ready. Our veggies and our cheese is prepped. So our next step is to get our minced meat ready. That's going to go into our wonderful, delicious nachos, along with caramelizing some onions. So if you're ready and excited, let's get rolling. Let's get to it. Throw in a little bit of olive oil. Drop a piece of onion. This will tell us when it's getting hot. You can see it start fizzling. All right, so we're going to go. We're going to throw in our minced meat. Start throwing in the rest of our onions. Just drop the heat to these guys to a medium low. Their minced meat, we're going to add some water. Add about half a cup. 1 chicken bouillon, a little garlic powder, some smoked paprika, and a little bit of chili powder. All right, we're back. Last thing to make and prep before we can build our nachos is our cheese sauce that we're going to drizzle over top once they come out of the oven. So first things first, we're going to turn on the heat, high heat. We'll drop a half a cup of butter. Turn down our heat to medium. You don't want to burn that butter. We're going to start adding a little bit of flour here. It's about a half a cup of flour. We're going to start building a roux. Start by adding half a cup of milk. About a half a cup of heavy cream. I'm going to throw about a half a cup of beef broth. Go on ahead, add that lovely cheese that we prepped earlier. Throw in a sprinkle of nutmeg. A little yellow mustard. And some black pepper. Finally, we throw in about another cup of milk. All right, everything is prepped. Everything is fantastic. Now it's time to start laying our nachos, firing them in the oven, drizzling them with some fantastic cheese, and we're good to eat. So if you're ready and excited, keep on watching. Let's do this. Throw in a little bit of cheese. So we got our mild and our spicy. So we'll throw some sausage. Alright, a little caramelization. Keep going with the spice over here. We'll add some jalapeno. Some red pepper. Red pepper on this guy. Beautiful. Throw in a little bit more cheese. Nice little layer on top here. And now repeat the previous steps on your top layer to complete your delicious, fantastic Super Bowl nachos. All right, these bad boys are ready to go in the oven. When we take them out, ladle with some cheese, and they are done, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're excited, keep on watching. There you have it. Beautiful, delicious nachos. Fantastic, delicious. You'll love them. Make them for your Super Bowl party. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you get alerted when I upload new and fantastic recipes just like this one. Till next time, tutta tavola a mangiare. Ciao.